to the multiplex operator, but also means reduced audio quality. Conversely, a station may choose a higher bit rate in order to provide a better quality to the listener. You're listening to a trial broadcast of a new DAB multiplex. Different multiplexers are operated in different ways by a number of different operators, in the same way as different airlines offer a very different experience to their passengers. As part of the application process to Ofcom, operators will propose the way in which they want to run the multiplex. Ofcom will then decide which of the proposals offers the best benefit to the local community, assessed using defined criteria. More details about the commitments made by this multiplex can be found on the multiplex operator's website, shown on the screen on your radio. The audio for stations is delivered in a number of ways. The majority of SSDAB and smaller regional DAB stations deliver their audio via a dedicated high bitrate internet radio stream, which the multiplex software then decodes and recodes for broadcast. This is a simple but effective way to deliver audio requiring minimal additional infrastructure. Some services, however, will opt to have a dedicated encoder located at their premises. This removes a step in the chain, giving a slight improvement to quality and reliability. For many stations, the cost of a dedicated encoder is not worth the marginal benefit, but this is the option chosen by some stations looking for the best possible quality and reliability. The multiplexer is typically located within a data center for bandwidth reasons. The incoming web stream services typically will be at a high bit rate, and therefore a full multiplex could consume nearly 5 times the bit rate of the encoded stream. Furthermore, as the incoming web stream services are outside of the control of the multiplex operator, their robustness to connection errors is not as high. In the case of this multiplex, there are 3 multiplexers, one located in the Harbour Exchange in London Docklands, a secondary encoder located at the Maxwave data centre in Leicestershire, and a third backup encoder located on the transmitter site. In the case of a multiplex failure, the system will automatically switch and triggers an automated alert. Connectivity at a remote radio site is always problematic due to the remote nature of these sites. Many SSDAB multiplex operators choose to run their multiplex from a single BT broadband connection, with a less than smooth switchover to 4G in case of failure. In the case of this multiplex, however, all transmitter sites are fed with at least 3 independent connection methods, be that BT landlines, 4G or microwave distribution. These are seamlessly meshed using an MPLS network, giving virtually instant, seamless transition in the case of failure and ensuring no dropouts that would affect the listening experience. This multiplex is monitored 24 hours a day, 365 days a year, from our dedicated network operations centre. In the case of failure, an alarm is automatically raised and picked up by our network operations centre, who will respond accordingly depending upon the nature of the